Welcome back everyone. This is part 3 in our series on making renewable hydrogen using household items. In our first video, we used the power of amphoteric reactions to make hydrogen using water, aluminum foil, and caustic soda. Although the reaction was a success, aluminum is pretty expensive, so it isn't very commercially viable, and it wasn't very efficient at making the hydrogen. So in our second video, we decided to change that, and we made a single cell electrolysis device that was able to make hydrogen efficiently and cheaply, because we only needed to use a jar, some stainless steel pads, and a sock. But the gas that it produced then was HHO, also known as oxyhydrogen or Brown's gas. Now, Brown's gas is practically useless. So, in this video, we are going to be making pure hydrogen efficiently and cheaply. So, to do this, as you can see here, you're gonna need some water with some dissolved caustic soda inside, just to increase the conductivity of the water. And as you can see, I have 2 water bottles that I cut in half and use the top part of, and put some stainless steel scrubbing pads inside, along with some wires. These will act as our electrodes. So what's happening in here? Well, when the electricity comes into contact with the water, it splits the hydrogen molecules, water molecules, into hydrogen and oxygen. Well, the hydrogen turns into positive ions, and the oxygen turns into negative anions. Now, remember, negatives, opposites attract. So the positive hydrogen ions go to the negative electrode, and the negative anions go to the positive electrode. Now, we will be collecting both of them. We will be collecting the oxygen when it comes out using this water balloon, and we'll be collecting the hydrogen when it comes out using this pipe and this soapy mixture. Well, let's get this started. Now, you might be wondering, well, Arav, this isn't renewable. I'll just quickly get this started. Now, you might be thinking, Arav, this isn't renewable because you have been using electricity. Well, to that, my friend, I introduce you to my good old friend, the solar panel. This can produce 4 volts electricity, and we have 3 of these. So altogether, we have 12 volts of electricity, which we have put in here. So this has 12 volts of electricity ready to use. So all the electricity in here is clean. Now, I'll put the hydrogen 1 into the soda mixture, just to check if it's working. And it will still take some time. So I'll pause the video and get back to you when it's done. Welcome back, guys. It's been 2 minutes since I left the electrolyzer on, and as you can see here, I'm getting some bubbles. But let's quickly test what gas this is. So I'll quickly take this out, and 3, 2, 1. And that is definitely hydrogen, because if you remember from our last video, hydrogen is flammable while HHO is combustible. Hydrogen like this can be used in the kitchen and can be used to be making ammonia, a fertilizer. It can also be used to power the cars of the future that will run on hydrogen fuel cells. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one.